Supporters of Peru's detained former leader Pedro Castillo gathered outside his prison on Thursday, angry after the Supreme Court ruled that he must remain behind bars for an extended 18 months. Demonstrators held up banners criticizing new President Dina Boluarte and calling for Congress to be shut down. Earlier in the day, a judge deemed Castillo, who has been charged with rebellion and conspiracy, to pose a flight risk and extended his pre-trial detention. The left-wing leader was removed by an overwhelming vote of lawmakers just hours after he tried to dissolve Congress on December the 7th. Boluarte says ousting Castillo was lawful and has described his actions as an attempted coup. Protesters across the country have reacted angrily to his removal from office, and authorities say at least 15 people have been killed. In the capital, Lima, demonstrators clashed with police on Thursday, throwing objects at the officers who returned fire with tear gas.
Los policías nos han encerrado.
This protester said she only narrowly escaped when the police surrounded them and that women and children have been affected by the gas. Demonstrators also continue to block roads in support of the impeached former president. Just a day earlier, the government imposed a state of emergency to try to quell the unrest. The measure grants special powers to the armed forces and police and limits freedoms, including the right to assembly. Late on Thursday, the government imposed a curfew on 15 local provinces, mostly in rural Andean regions.